Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the cable type and that you have a replacement RJ45 and crimp tool. This matters because pinouts differ slightly by spec. Cut straight through the damaged connector, then strip about 1 inch of outer jacket. Do this to expose wires without nicking insulation. Once done, untwist each pair only the minimum. You want flexibility and consistent impedance. Make sure to keep the color order intact. Accurate ordering prevents crosstalk and ensures a reliable link when crimped. Now you align the wires to your chosen standard. Trade-offs matter. Match both ends as either T568A or T568B. Flatten and spread the conductors in a straight plane, then trim to about 0.5 inch of exposed length so they slide into the connector cleanly. Once trimmed, insert the bundle firmly into the RJ45. Push until the jacket seats inside the connector. Because the plug strain relief must clamp the jacket, make sure every conductor reaches. You finish by placing the connector in the crimper and squeezing firmly until the latch and contacts set. The mechanical bite secures conductors and the jacket. Once crimped, use a cable tester to confirm continuity and correct pair mapping. This verifies both conductivity and no shorts. If the tester shows faults, do not force fixes. Cut back roughly 1/4 inch, restrip and realign the wires, then crimp a new connector. One key tip: intermittent faults often mean a wire not fully seated against its gold pin.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.